It starts off just changing the background a little bit so you can see through it with the opacity. And then using some ruler guides just to set up this top view of the grapefruit on the dish, you can create this section of the fruit and just rotate it. We've done that before. And then as you use the pen tool, I'm just overlapping the saucer that it sits on, same with the shadow, knowing that I can send the shadow to the back and or clip it or use the shape builder to set it up. So I'll set it off to the side so you can see the change of the color. And whatever strokes and fills that you want to indicate, you can use the eyedrop tool to easily select that color and build this entire selection, and then just place it back where it belongs. This coffee cup looks somewhat familiar. We're just taking a stroke for the thickness to it. You can copy it, paste it in front, use all the different processes to do that. This is just a stroke with a thickness and a rounded edge, so it makes it easy to adapt. And the shadow is just using the pen tool, circle tool for the handle, changing the path outline, that stroke. And the hard part, not seeing the top of this, so you kind of have to ad-lib, make it what it might look like based off of that, so you have some of the pieces and the shading, whether you use the shape tool to help you illustrate it, or the pen tool, like right now it's just a pen with a stroke, making it a thickness, rounding off some edges, using the direct selection tool to change some of that, and just putting them in a different stacking order. This outside shadow, just decided to use the pen tool, the ellipse tool to join that together, and that shadow can be changed opacity or multiply. The ridge of the paper is just a stroke with a zigzag filter, and then it's expanded in order to make that paper section, and then the interior of these pieces of the type just kind of demonstrate that, to set that off to the side. A couple circular pieces to set up the back, and then just a clipping path on the entire shape.